Okay, welcome back guys, this is Backpack Biker Sam and today I have another box from Flipkart and this will be another unboxing, and this is another device you can say, or it is used for mainly for riding for bikers and especially vloggers. So this is a budget oriented camera, you can say action camera. So people who can't afford GoPro, which is around 30-40k, so can opt for this, because this camera has been proven since the time it was launched, and it has good set of lens and good softwares and good optimizations and stabilization as such. So let's go ahead and see the box contents, and let me show you guys what exactly is in the box. Let's unwrap it. I think by now you guys would have guessed what is the device, and let me put this away. And so this is SJCAM SJ6 Legend. So before we go ahead with the unboxing, let's have a sip of coffee, and coffee is always a good idea. Okay, so this is SJ6 Legend camera. We have the box itself here, and this packaging is just neat, and I always like this SJCAM. I have had the SJCAM SJ4 Wi-Fi when I started my YouTube channel. Then again I bought GoPro, and I was literally, I didn't use it extensively because of the lockdown. I had to sell it off. So now start again. I got this SJ6 Legend because this retails for around 10,500 in Flipkart, Amazon, and it's a very good budget oriented action camera which has stabilization and 30 meters of water resistant, and two screens, dual, one on the front, on the back one, and we have 4K risk camera, high definition 24ps recording as well. It's a 2-inch touchscreen, so with Wi-Fi connection. So let's get unboxing. Let's go ahead and see how this camera is. Really useful for beginners and people who want to start YouTube channels and vlogging and such. Okay, so let's remove this plastic wrap. I think we need scissor again. I will just remove all this plastic wrap and get back to you guys. Okay, this box, and here we have the QR code, and we have the resolutions, the specifications, and the mounts that we get in the box. Check manual for full list and empower your dreams. Okay, let's see how this can empower. Let's get unboxing. So let me pull this out. Okay. Packaging looks very good. We have the main camera SJ6 Legend with the waterproof casing. This is the waterproof casing with the mounts and screws, everything. So okay, let's keep it aside before I drop it down. Let's see what is in this box. So wow, this is what, see, SJCAM always give so many mounts and all this 3mm mounts, whatever, with the sticker around on the back. You can just stick around the helmet and fix the camera. and this is a normal USB cable. It's not a type C. Okay, these are good. These are really good because you can use it on the rear of the helmet or the bikes. You can place it, so that is good from SJCAM. And let's see box content here. Whoa, you guys need to see this. See, the mounts. So all in this plastic packet. Oh, that's something great about SJCAM. I really love for their this extra accessories they give along with the camera, because when you buy GoPro, you don't get all these things. You just need camera. You just get the camera, and that costs around 30,000. Yes, the camera of GoPro is way better than SJCAM. Yes, see, because the price and the build, everything, but at the same time SJ camera for this price, this is much better than the GoPros, I feel. So let's see, and this is just my perception as of now. Let me use the camera, and because I've used the camera of GoPro Hero 7 Black, so I know the difference, and I will make it out and give it to you guys again. So these are the box contents. I will place it on the table and show you guys what exactly in the box we get. Okay. Alright guys, these are the box contents. See, we get the wiping cloth as well. We have these mounts, and this, the tiny one to cover your lens. So that is a nice touch. And just you can fix it like this. Okay, so many box contents, and I've got this for about 10,500. The stickers. So I'm not really sure of the mounts, since I can name the J mount, T mount, whatever it is, but these are the mounts we get from this box with SJCAM SJ6 Legend. Okay. Okay, so let's check the camera now. Let us remove this camera from the waterproof casing. This is the camera. That looks neat. So we have the power button here and the settings button here, and on top camera start, stop, and so menu selection button, you can see. That's what it's going to be, I guess. So let's power it on and check. Oh, that's quick. That was a quick boot up. Fine. So we have video option here, video lapse, slow recording, photo lapse, burst mode, and video plus photo, car mode underwater. Okay, so let's press the settings button. Settings is here. Okay, so resolution. So resolution can be changed from 2K to 4K, 2K, 1080p, 5030. Oh, that's good. So we can select this one, and no loop recording. Field of view is wide, narrow. So I feel middle is good, and low light mode is keep it on. So WDR, what is that? I don't know. So gyro sensor is high, audio on, volume is fine. So timestamp, video file format, MP4. You can select on bitrate. Good, that's always medium. Sharpness normal. White balance, that's fine. Auto, that's good. Colors normal. I don't know what is EV. That's okay. Let's not get too much technical into that. Even mod is metering also. So what is the distortion corrections? So that's average metering. Distortion, okay. So those were the settings. So you can select from resolutions from up to 4K. So I selected 1080 60 FPS. That's decent one for YouTube. Loop recording is not required, and field of view and everything else. So we have the language, format, gimbal control. Okay. FPV is on. Okay, FPV is on. First point view, I guess. TV mode, let's later. Quick capture, front display is on. Auto power off, no. Oh, we have screensavers, everything. Logos off, that's not required. Wi-Fi, power on mode. So it's always video. Yep. Default settings, all's fine. Version, software, everything else you can check. So this is the front camera, front display. That looks good as well. So everything is protected by a thin film. You can see here. So let's this is the unboxing and overview of this box contents. My second video will be on the overall camera, the camera capabilities, the pictures, and what all features it has. So all those things will be covered in my second video, and that will be the complete review. And so also it says a please insert card. So we are really happy because as of now I'm happy with the quality of this camera. It really is good, and so it is touch controlled display, and you can see here. So for the price, we're getting a good value for money camera here, and I'm really looking forward to check this camera and tell you guys how this really performs. And so for now, so please do like, share and subscribe to the video. It's really helpful for you guys. And so please pardon the lightning or because I'm doing it from a mobile camera video, so please forgive for that. And I will see you guys again in my next video with the complete camera, the settings, the features, and the complete video capture modes, and how well the camera really is performing for this price point. So that will be my second videos. Until then, you guys take care, and this is Backpack Biker signing off. And this is the unboxing and first look of this SJ6 Legend in 2021. Thank you. Vandaneglu Prekshakare. Namaskar. Thank you. Bye bye.